Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution very quickly. Now here we have given bracket of x minus a2 power 4 to be equals to 81. Okay, now here we know that x minus a2 power 4 minus 81 equals a 0. Right, then x minus a2 power 4 minus 3 power 4 will be a 0. Right. Well, we have to change this one into difference of two squares by writing x minus a2 squared and squared again minus 3 squared and squared again to be equals 0. Okay, to mean this is a squared and this is b squared. So what can we do? We will have x minus a2 squared, okay, then minus 3 squared times open bracket of x minus a2 squared plus 3 squared cross bracket to be equals 0. Okay, so this one will provide x squared plus 2ab is equal to, sorry, this will provide minus 4x, then plus a 4 minus a 9, then times x squared, okay, minus 4x plus a 4 plus a 9 to be equal to 0. Then x squared plus a 4, x minus a 5, and here x squared minus 4x plus 13 is equals to a 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation and this is a quadratic equation. So our x squared plus 4 x minus a 5 will be a 0, or x squared minus 4 x plus 13 will be equals 0. Okay, and this is a simple quadratic equation, whereas we have to find two numbers we can multiply to get negative 5, whereas the sum is equal to positive 4. Those numbers is equal to negative 5, a positive 5, and negative 1. Okay, so here you have to find x plus 5 and x minus 1, okay, equals 0. Right, then our x will be negative 5 and x2 will be 1. You have to find another complex numbers from right over here by using formula method, whereas x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac over a2a. Right, then x will be a 4 plus or minus square root of b squared is equal to 16 minus 52, 4 times 13 over a2. Okay, then x will be 4 plus or minus square root of negative 36 over a2. Then our x will be 4 plus or minus 6i over a2. Then our x here will be a 2 plus or minus 3i. So here x3 equals 2 plus 3i, whereas x4 is equals to 2 minus 3i. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.